Apple is making some bold moves with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and if the latest leaks are accurate, we're looking at some significant upgrades in both design and camera technology. From the introduction of 8K video recording to a revamped periscope zoom lens, Apple seems to be pushing its flagship model into new territory. While some of these changes have been expected for a while, others could be game-changing for those who rely on their iPhone for photography, videography, or just everyday use. There has been a lot of speculation about Apple possibly redesigning the camera setup on the iPhone 17 series, and while we still don't have all the details, fresh leaks are helping to paint a clearer picture, especially for the Pro models. The latest information comes from a well-known Weibo leaker, Digital Chat Station, who has a strong track record when it comes to providing accurate leaks. While nothing is officially confirmed, these insights give us a solid idea of what Apple might be working on for its next-generation cameras. Starting with the main camera, it looks like Apple is sticking with a 48-megapixel sensor with a 1/3 inch size. This means there won't be any size increase compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. If you were hoping for a bigger sensor for improved low-light performance, it doesn't look like that's happening this time around. The ultra-wide camera is also staying at 48 megapixels, which is the same upgrade we saw with the iPhone 16 Pro. So in terms of the main and ultra-wide lenses, there aren't any groundbreaking changes on the horizon, just Apple refining what's already working. But where things really start to get interesting is with the telephoto lens, also known as the periscope zoom. According to these leaks, Apple is making a major leap from a 12-megapixel sensor to a 48-megapixel periscope lens while maintaining 5x optical zoom. That's a significant upgrade, and it could mean much sharper and more detailed zoom shots, something a lot of users have been asking for. We've heard similar rumors before, so this one seems highly likely. If true, it could be a game changer for those who rely on their iPhone for photography, especially when it comes to capturing distant subjects without losing quality. Another major upgrade that's been leaked is 8K video recording. While Android smartphones have had 8K video recording for quite some time, Apple has yet to bring the feature to its iPhones. Even the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max are limited to 4K video recording. However, ahead of their launch, we saw evidence that Apple had tested 8K recording on the iPhone 16 Pro models, but chose not to enable it. It's believed that one reason Apple held off on 8K was due to the limitations of the zoom lens, which would still be capped at 4K resolution. Since iPhone users expect to switch seamlessly between lenses while shooting video, having an 8K option with only some lenses capable of supporting it would create an inconsistent experience. Now that the iPhone 17 Pro series is rumored to feature a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, all three cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, would be capable of recording in 8K resolution. This makes it much more likely that Apple will finally introduce 8K video recording with this generation. If Apple does bring 8K recording to the iPhone 17 Pro models, it would be a big deal for videographers and content creators. However, the reality is that most people don't even watch content in 8K, and the file sizes would be massive. That being said, Apple rarely introduces features unless they're well optimized, so we can expect better compression and storage efficiency to make the feature more practical. Moving beyond the cameras, Apple might also be making some major design changes to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This time, we've got a fresh set of dummy models courtesy of regular tipster Sonny Dixon, spotted by McRumors. These dummies give us a solid look at the four expected models: iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, which is reportedly replacing the Plus, iPhone 17 Pro, and iPhone 17 Pro Max, which might be rebranded as the Ultra. The Pro models have a particularly interesting design tweak, a new partial glass panel on the back. Dixon notes that the outlined area is where the glass will change. This lines up with previous leaks suggesting Apple is going for a mix of metal and glass, with the glass section housing the Apple logo and blending directly into the chassis, possibly aluminum. Now nothing here is too shocking, especially compared to the metal molds Dixon shared earlier. But these new dummies offer more details, including a clearer outline of the MagSafe chargers. And guess what? Even the super slim Air might be getting MagSafe. That's a surprising move if Apple is really pushing for an ultra-thin phone. On the design front, we're seeing some serious Google Pixel vibes. The Air model appears to have a single rear camera housed in a horizontal bar stretching across the back, much like the iPhone 16e. The The Pro and Pro Max models are also expected to get a fresh camera layout, still rocking a triple lens setup, but in a new size and shape. This design shift has been controversial. Some love it, others are side-eyeing Apple's choices. Personally, I'm on the fence, but hey, change is inevitable. Of course, these are just leaks. Apple could always pull a fast one and surprise us with something completely different. But it's not just the design that's rumored to be getting an upgrade. Under the hood, big things might be coming too. One of the most exciting rumors suggests that the phone could feature an under-display Face ID sensor, meaning the dynamic island might finally be removed. Instead, we could see a single punch-hole front camera, giving users even more screen real estate and a cleaner overall look. This would be a significant step toward a truly edge-to-edge display, and would likely be a welcome change for those who prefer a minimalist design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also expected to feature a massive 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and animations. The screen will reportedly reach a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it even more visible in bright outdoor conditions. Apple is also expected to continue using its next-generation ceramic shield technology to improve durability and protect the screen from scratches and cracks. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to be powered by the new A19 Pro chip, which should bring significant performance improvements and better power efficiency. Apple will likely pair this with 12 gigs of RAM, ensuring seamless multitasking and improved performance in demanding applications. Storage options could go up to 1 TB, making it a great choice for users who need plenty of space for photos, videos, and apps. Battery life should also see an improvement, thanks to a 4700 mAh battery that supports 50 watts fast charging. With Apple's continued focus on energy efficiency, we can expect better overall battery performance, allowing users to get through an entire day without needing to recharge. As for pricing, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to start at around $1,250 when it launches in mid-September 2025. Given the advanced features and rumored hardware upgrades, this price point seems reasonable, especially when compared to the competition. So, with 8K video, a massive zoom upgrade, a potential redesign, and an even brighter and more durable display, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is shaping up to be an impressive device. But the big question remains, are these upgrades enough to make it worth upgrading? If you're currently using an iPhone 16, the changes might not seem revolutionary. However, for those with older iPhones or for anyone considering switching to an iPhone for the first time, this could be the perfect time to make the jump. So, what do you think about the rumored changes? Is 8K video recording and a 48-megapixel periscope lens enough to convince you to upgrade? Or were you hoping for something even more revolutionary? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any updates on Apple's latest and greatest devices.